So I've found the best thing that works for me, over the years, kind of learned the hard way here and there, but finally kind of got it dialed in. Probably only 5 minutes at most. It
Oh wow.
all kind of depends on the shot size, how long it is, but even a very big shot is probably only about 5 minutes of flight time. I do one pass over the top of the shot with the camera straight down at 200 feet. Um, and then I'll drop down to about 80 to 85 feet and do three more passes, kind of staggering your way back from the shot. So I'll start over the first row, go back across over the second row, and then again up over the third row. Then you actually fly out in front of the shot and look back towards the face. And it's kind of at this point all has to do with the camera angle. So the key is to capture the toe and the crest of the bench with, a little bit of overlap on each side, but not too. I've found that the camera at about 65 to 70 degrees is kind of your sweet spot when you start there. I'll do one pass across the face like that, and then I'll back out a little bit, go a little bit lower, do the camera to about 45 degrees, and do one more pass across that face. And that's the best way that we've found. It's created very accurate data and replicable data. As far as like quarry flyovers, I'm usually around 300 to 350 depending on what's in the quarry. Sometimes there's a high conveyor tower or a crusher or something. You want to be sure you clear it, and I'll give it a little bit of extra. Currently, we're using the same drone throughout the company. It's the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. I believe Ravi actually recommended that. Really can't find anything else that I think would gives us any more of a benefit than what we have currently. For how much more they cost. I believe the Phantom Fours are right around $1,600 to $1,800, brand new, and it does more than everything we needed to. The camera's great. It fly plenty of battery life, and we love them. We've had no issues with them.
Yeah, I mean we fly them some pretty significant winds and rain, snow. As long as you dry them out at the end of the day, you're usually pretty good. There can be some wind situations, but they're kind of built to correct themselves and withstand the elements. So
If we're in like a normal day, calm winds, nothing crazy, you get about 28 minutes to 30 minutes of flight time out of one battery. On like really windy days or cold days in the winter, that can drop in half or more. You can be down to about 15 minutes. But like we were saying earlier, a general flight of a bench, just me doing a scan for bore tracking for a shot is probably only about 5 minutes of flight time. So, I would basically go through like a battery every day and I charge it overnight. I always keep three on me. Some of the quarries we have, the sites, are hundreds of acres, and it can be two or even three full batteries to do like an automated full quarry scan or flyover, as we like to call it.